Hello everybody. In this section we're going to be talking about special segments in a circle, particularly tangents, and we'll learn something called secants. Alright, first thing here, Theorem 10.15. If two chords intersect in a circle, then the product of the measures of the segments of the chords are equal. So here we have two chords AC and DB, and if I find AE and multiply it by EC, that product will equal that of BE times ED, and that's what this theorem is showing. Now let's talk about what a secant segment is. A secant segment is a segment that intersects a circle in exactly 2 points, as opposed to a tangent. Tangent's only going to touch a circle in 1 point. An external secant segment, that's a portion of the secant that is outside the circle joined by a common external point. We'll see that here in the next slide. Theorem 10.16. If two secant segments are drawn to a circle from an exterior point, then the product of the measures of one secant segment and its external secant segment is equal to the product of the measures of the other secant segment and its external secant segment. So we'll see if we can figure out what's going on here with an illustration. Okay, AB would be considered an external secant segment, whereas AC is the entire secant from A to C. See how it's intersecting in 2 points? That's how we know it's a secant. Now if we take the AB, whatever that length is, and multiply it by the entire length AC, it will equal this other one, AE times AD. And that's what this theorem is talking about. Okay, Theorem 10.17. If a tangent segment and a secant segment are drawn to a circle from an exterior point, then the square of the measure of the tangent segment is equal to the product of the measures of the secant segment and its external secant segment. Okay, so in this picture we have a tangent line WX and then secant WY, and notice we have the external part of that secant segment right here, WZ. So if we take WX and multiply it by itself, square it, it would equal WZ times WY. And that's what this theorem is talking about.